Good afternoon, grade 9 students, and welcome to our third quarter week 3 discussion. For this week, we will be talking about types of computer system error. So for our objectives, at the end of the lesson, the students will be able to identify the types of computer system error and to recognize operating system errors or OS errors. Types of computer system error. So there are several errors in a computer from the point you open it up to the point you reach the standby window. Reaching standby windows means boot process has no error. So here are the list of computer error. So first we have no video output. So when you open your PC, nothing shows up in your monitor and the LED indicator of your monitor is flashing in yellow color. So that is no video output. And there is another explanation for a no video output which is same as number 1, but now the LED indicator of your monitor is in steady orange color. So that is one of the explanation of the no video output. Then another computer error is doesn't boot. So when you open your PC, it will show the processor brand and or the motherboard brand, but doesn't continue. Usually this error will result to system restart over and over again. Then another computer error is a never-ending loading of operating system. So the computer opens up, then boots, but when the operating system loads it doesn't continue, and it will take a lifetime if you're going to wait for it to load. Then another is lots of pop-up windows showing on standby mode. This also happens even if you try disconnecting your computer set from the internet. So this is what we call aftershock virus, which will continue to run even if internet is disconnected. Then another computer error is lots of hardware installation windows appear. This happens even if you try installing the hardware. When you restart your set, it will happen again. Then next is the safe mode doesn't work. So when you try going to safe mode, all you will see is a list of files in command prompt style. Next, we have the keyboard and mouse system restart. So this will happen only in standby mode. When you move your mouse or type in something, your system will automatically restart, and the worst part is it will delete a file at a random. Then another is sound on off error. Upon loading the operating system, you will hear a loading sound and then the sound stops. When you try running an audio file, no sound will be heard. So that is a computer error. The next is the application causes system to restart. So just like the mouse problem, when you open a program that will take the whole screen, like for example a game and or a program application, when you close it, it will cause your system to restart. So those are the list of or examples of a computer errors. Now let us also identify some OS errors which can be classified into various categories. So such as, first we have the system errors. So these are moderately dangerous types of errors among those that can pop up on your PC. System errors are caused by malfunctioning hardware components, corrupted operating system modules, and etc. Then next we have the runtime errors. The runtime errors are caused by corrupted or malfunctioning system files or software executables. Most runtime errors cause the application that caused it to shut down. However, more serious runtime errors may cause the system to become unstable or unresponsive, leaving you with no choice but to reach for the reset button. Then another OS errors is the stop errors. So these stop errors are caused by corrupted hardware, especially malfunctioning RAM modules and bad sectors on hard disks. Stop errors can be difficult to resolve at times. Then number 4, we have device manager errors. So these are usually caused by corrupted driver files or malfunctioning hardware components. In case of the former cause, the problem is usually solved simply by reinstalling or updating the drivers. So, however, the latter cause can often be solved only by replacing hardware components. That is the easiest way to solve these device manager errors. And we also have postcode errors. Postcode errors are caused by malfunctioning hardware components and are characterized by short beep sounds from the tiny internal speaker of your motherboard. Then the postcode errors occur when you press the power button to turn on your PC. Then another error or OS errors is the application errors. So this can be caused at any point of time. As the name suggests, they are caused by application while those are running. These are usually caused by glitches in the program code itself, and these are usually resolved by updating the program to its latest version. And last OS errors is the browser status codes. These are caused by problems faced by browsers when trying to access a website. This can be caused by misplaced web pages in the server of the website itself or due to the connection problems. For instance, a 404 error would indicate that the browser is trying to access a web page that does not exist in the specified location. So those are examples of the OS errors. Thank you for listening, and I hope that you've got some learnings on the topic that we have discussed, and may God bless you on your next topic for next week.